And look, imagine you walk into a dark alley and 3 guys step out to rob you. Scary stuff, right? Now, imagine the exact same scenario, but this time you're walking with a 140-pound Rottweiler on a chain. Those guys, they don't step out. They stay in the shadows. You didn't have to fight. You didn't have to throw a punch. The presence of the dog changed the outcome. That is what we're talking about today. Not legal insurance, not some boring paperwork service. We're talking about walking through life with a Rottweiler by your side. We're talking about Legal Shield. Now, before I give you the link, we have to address the elephant in the room. Because if you Google this company, you're going to see things. It's an MLM. It's a pyramid scheme. It's a scam. Let's be adults about this though. Yes, Legal Shield uses a multi-level marketing structure. And yes, most MLMs are garbage that burn out in 24 months, leaving everyone broke. But Legal Shield has been around since 1972. They have survived for 50 years because the product actually works. If and only if you use it correctly. They have very favorable business ratings because they deliver on the contract. The complaints usually come from people who thought they bought a get out of jail free card for a felony. So I don't care about the business opportunity. The success rate for selling this stuff is really low. It's really hard. Some people win, and if you want to try that, go ahead, but that is not what we're doing here today. I'm recommending this for one reason only: leverage. And here are the 3 reasons why this membership is a no-brainer for a property owner. First, the nasty gram. This is the bully stopper. This is your Rottweiler. You see, if a contractor takes your deposit and ghosts you, if your HOA sends you a bogus fine, or if a tenant stops paying rent, you don't argue with them. You tap a button on your phone, upload the document, and a real attorney reviews it. And if you've got a case, they send a demand letter on law firm letterhead. You see, when a bully gets a letter from Bob the homeowner, they laugh. When they get a letter from Smith, Johnson and Associates attorneys at law, they panic. They realize fighting you will cost them legal fees, so they fold. That one letter is worth 10 years of membership fees. Second thing, the privacy shield. You see, most people think estate planning is just about who gets my stuff when I die. That's boring. I want you to think about living privacy. You see, if your home is in your personal name, any nosy neighbor, creditor, or slip and fall lawyer can look you up in public records. They see your name, they see your equity, they see a target. You need to move your assets into a trust. It creates anonymity. It keeps your business your business. A normal lawyer charges $1,500 to $3,000, sometimes even more, to set this up. With Legal Shield, you get your will, living will, and power of attorney included for free. And for the complex trust work, you get a massive discount on the provider rates. The money you save on setting up your trust one time literally pays for the entire Legal Shield membership for a whole year. It is mathematically free protection. Now, number 3, the traffic ticket defense. This is the feature that pays for itself on day one. You see, you get pulled over, you get a ticket, right? Instead of just paying it and letting your insurance premium spike by $500 a year, you snap a photo. The attorney goes to court for you. They fight the points. They reduce the fine. They keep your record clean. Here's the bottom line. Don't join for the business opportunity unless you already know that you want to do that. And don't join expecting them to fight a $1 million lawsuit for $30 a month. Join because you want to operate with the same swagger as a rich guy who has a law firm on retainer. You want to know that if someone messes with your family, your money, your property, you can just hit a button and unleash the lawyers. For less than the cost of a half tank of gas, you get the Shield. And I've set up a direct link below for you, or you can just use the QR code here, get the membership, get your trust set up, get your privacy back, and keep that send letter button ready for the next time the HOA tries to get cute.